King. It's on the southeast corner of 75th and Bell in Peoria. Get an unbelievable haircut, hot lather, neck shave, and towel treatment, all for a grand opening price of just $12. Lady Jane's Haircuts for Men is like a sports bar for your head. Lady Jane's Haircuts for Men.
There was no whistle, and so it was... Oklahoma City putting the Spurs on the brink of elimination.
Take a look at something. We also had a little guy named Jordan McGuinn and his mother Laura. He suffers from Duchenne.
At the 632 mark and waiting for $1,000 a year.
Freeway is going to save me